Today I will try to finish this. You can see here question number 23. Question number 23. You can see. Yes. So it is log x plus 1 to the base 3 minus 1 equals to 3 plus log x minus 1 to the base 3. You have to solve for x. So see here, how will you solve for x? So you bring all the terms of logarithm in one side and numerals in the other side, numbers in the other side. So when you will bring this term here, it will be in minus log x plus 1 to the base 3 minus log x minus 1 to the base 3 equals to 3 plus 1. Now here which logarithmic law you will apply in left hand side? कौन सा law apply करेंगे? We will apply this log m minus log n equals to log m upon n. This is the quotient law of logarithm. Quotient law of logarithm. So how can you write this? इसको क्या लिखेंगे? So you can see here, it will be log x plus 1 upon x minus 1 to the base 3 equals to 4. Equals to 4. Now see here, you write it in exponential form. On writing in exponential form. What will be in exponential form? What will you write? Ananya, how will you write this in exponential form? Ananya, Akshay Shukla, so see here, it will be 3 to the power 4 equals to this. Means x plus 1 upon x minus 1 equals to 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4 means 3 you will multiply how many times? 4 times. It is 81. So what will be x plus 1? It is 81 into x minus 1. So on simplifying, it will be x plus 1 equals to 81x minus 81. Now I am simplifying here. It's clear. So you bring x in right hand side, minus 81 in the left hand side. So 1 plus 81 equals to 81x minus x, that is 80x. So what is x? 82 upon 80. That is 41 upon 40. Means 1 whole 1 upon 40. 1 whole 1 upon 40. Now see here. Question number 24. So have you understood this question?
Yes, sir.
Now question number 24. Five to the power log x plus 3 to the power log x means here logarithmic term is in power. It is 3 to the power log x plus 1 minus 5 to the power log x minus 1. This. You have to solve for x means you have to find the value of x. So what will you do? You bring the terms of 3 in one side and 5 in other side. You can see here this is in negative. So you bring it in this side. It will become positive. So 5 to the power log x plus 5 to the power log x minus 1. Here minus 1 is not associated with log. It's clear, minus 1 is not associated. Now similarly, it is 3 to the power log x plus 1 plus minus 3 की power log x. Now all of you see, in the next term 5 की power log x, and here we will apply quotient rule in the reverse order. In the reverse order means how will you write? 5 की power log x upon 5 की power 1. Have you understood?
Yes,
Are you
sir.
clear, Drawal?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood this?
Yes, sir.
Then how will you write here? Ayushi Agrawal. How will you write?
So 3 log x into 3 की power 1.
Very good. 3 log x means log x is in power. Na? Into 3 की power 1 minus 3 log x. 3 log x means log x is in power. It's clear. Now what will happen here? What will you do in the next step? Who can tell? Atharv Singh, Arnav Singh.
सर 5 की पावर log x कॉमन लेंगे.
5 to the power log x, you take out common. When you will take out common, it is 1 plus 1 upon 5. And here, what is common? 3 की power log x common. So it is 3 minus 1. Whether it is clear? So it is
Yes,
5
sir.
की power log x into, when you will simplify this bracket, I am writing directly, it will be 6 upon 5 equals to 3 की power log x into 2. Now what will you do? You will bring all the terms containing log x in one side, in left hand side. So it will be 5 की power log x upon 3 की power log x equals to 2. And when you take this in that side, what will happen? It will reciprocate and multiply. इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा और multiply हो जाएगी. So 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6. That is 5 upon 3. Now this you can see here. Here also power is log x. Here also power is log x. What can you write? 5 upon 3 power log x equals to 5 upon 3. There is no power means power is 1. Now you can see here, since the bases are same, therefore on comparing the powers, pairing powers, log x equals to 1, and 1 can be written in logarithmic form log 10. 1 can be written in logarithmic form log 10. Therefore, x equals to 10. X will be equal to 10. Have you understood? X equals
Yes, sir.
to 10. This is the answer. Now see here, question number 25, 26, all are of same type. Both the questions. 25. You can see here. Here it is given log x minus y upon 2 equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. And you have to prove x square plus y square equals to 6xy. This is given and this is you have to prove. It's clear. Here this is given and this you have to prove. So we will start from given, and in both sides we will make single logarithm. So if you see in the left hand side, there is already single logarithm. Now in the right hand side, 1 upon 2 log x plus log y. What can you write log x plus log y in single logarithm?
Log xy.
Log xy.
Log xy. Now you have to remove this number. What will you do? इसको कहां ले जाएं इस नंबर को? So we will write log xy की power 1 by 2. की power 1 by 2. And when the power is 1 by 2, then there will be square root or cube root. Who can tell?
The square root.
Square root. It is clear? So you can see here log x minus y upon 2 equals to log square root xy. So on comparing, you will get x minus y upon 2 equals to root xy, or x minus y equals to 2 root xy. Now on squaring both sides. Both sides. When you will do the square, it is x minus y whole square. What is x minus y whole square? Who can tell?
X square minus 2xy plus y square.
Minus 2xy plus y square. On squaring this, what will you get?
4xy.
Yes, 2 का स्क्वायर 4 और स्क्वायर रूट वाले नंबर का जब स्क्वायर करते हैं स्क्वायर रूट will be removed. Now you bring minus 2xy in this side. So what will you get when you will bring? It will become x square plus y square equals to 6xy. It is clear? Hence proved. Now see here. यहां पर जो गिवन था that was a logarithmic equation. log के टर्म्स में गिवन था. हमको जो प्रूव करना था दैट इज ए एल्जेब्रिक इक्वेशन। वो कैसी इक्वेशन है? एल्जेब्रिक है, यहाँ पर कोई लॉग का टर्म नहीं है। नाउ इफ यू सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, here algebraic equation is given and you have to prove in logarithmic equation। algebraic दिया है और logarithmic फॉर्म में प्रूव करना है। means here question number 26, this is given x square plus y square equals to 23xy, this thing is given, what you have to prove? TPT, x plus y upon 5 equals to 1 upon 2 log x plus log y. This means the algebraic is given and you have to prove in logarithmic form. Now see here, if you see this thing, it will be log square root xy, just we have done in the previous question. When 5 will go in that side, x plus y equals to 5 into root xy. Means x plus y whole square will be 25xy. X plus y whole square will be 25xy. So what will you do? First you make perfect square. How will you make it perfect square? Perfect square means whole square. अब होल स्क्वायर इसको कैसे बना सकते हैं? या तो 2xy को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें। When you will subtract, what will happen? 23xy minus 2xy. These three terms together will be x minus y का whole square equals to 21xy. But you can see here, there is the term of x plus y. यहाँ किसका टर्म है? x plus y का टर्म। Therefore, what will you do? You will add. You will not subtract. Here you will add. When you will add, it will become, these three terms will become whole square of x plus y, and this will become 25xy. So what will be x plus y here? It will be square root 25xy, that is 5 square root xy. Now you write down this in this way. 5 you take in this side, root xy you write down xy की power 1/2 on taking logarithm. You take logarithm in both sides. When you will take logarithm, it will be log x plus y upon 5 equals to log xy की power 1/2. Means 1/2 log xy. Therefore, 1/2 log xy you can write log x plus log y. Hence proved. So have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now question number 27 you will do by your own. 28, 29, these questions are also of same type. 28, 29, 31, all are of same type. You can see here. Here in these questions, we will use this formula. log A to the base B equals to log A upon log B. In these questions, we will apply this formula. Log A to the base B equals to log A plus log B. Now you can see here, question number 28, second part. Log 36 to the base 8 plus, no. It is 1 upon log 36 to the base 8 plus 1 upon log 36 to the base 9 plus 1 upon log 36 to the base 80. This you have to prove equal to 2. हमको इसकी वैल्यू किसके इक्वल रखनी है, लानी है 2 के इक्वल. It's clear? So see here, there is one more formula that also you remember. Log 1 upon log A to the base B equals to log B to the base A. Here we will use this formula. Since 1 upon log A to the base B equals to log B to the base A. So what will happen to this? This will become log 8 to the base 36. This will become log 9 to the base 36. Both will change, interchange. Log 18 to the base 36. Now you can see here, in all the 3 cases, bases are same. So we can apply the product rule. Log m plus log n plus log p equals to log m into n into p. So you can see here, log 8 into 9 into 18 to the base 36. Now you simplify 8 into 9 into 18, 8 9 ja 72 into 18, 18 2 ja 36 3. Then 18 7 ja 126 plus 3, that is 129. 1296 means log 1296 to the base 36. And 1296 we know 36 whole square. 36 into 36 is 1296. So it is log 36 square to the base 30. So you can write 2 log 36 to the base 36. And what is log 36 to the base 36? It is 1. So 2 into 1 equals to 2. Now see here, this question we can also do by using this formula also. You can write here log 36 upon log 10, 8. Log 36 upon log 9. Log 36 upon log 18. When it will reciprocate, it will become log 8 upon log 36, this way. So that you can do. Now see here, question number 29, first part. This is also of same type. First part. 1 upon log A, B, C to the base A plus 1 upon log A, B, C to the base B A, B, C to the base C. You have to prove it equal to 1. So this you can write as log A to the base ABC plus log B to the base ABC plus log C to the base ABC by using the previous formula. Now this is bases are same everywhere. Base is ABC. It is log n plus log b means it will be log A into B into C to the base ABC. Means log ABC to the base ABC equals to 1. Hence proved. Its second part is very simple. It is given log A to the base B into log B to the base C into log C to the base B. You can write it as log A upon log B, log B upon log C, log C upon log D. So when you will simplify, this and this will be cancelled. This and this will be cancelled. What will you get? Finally, you will get log A upon log B. And this can be written as log A to the base B. A to the base B. Now similarly, question number 31. First part, second part, all the parts are of same type. Question number 31, you can see. I am going to do the second part. Second part, you see here. You have to solve for x, means you have to determine the value of x. So it is log x to the base 2, x to the base 8 plus log x to the base 32. Here you have to find, it is given 23 upon 15, you have to find the value of x. So this you can write as log x upon log 2, log x upon log 8 plus log x upon log 32 equal to 23 upon 15. So it will be log x upon log 2 plus log x upon log 2 cube. 8 means 2 cube plus log x upon log 2 की power 5 equals to 23 upon 50. So this can be written as log x upon log 2. Log x and denominator you can write what? Who can tell?
3 log 2.
3 log 2.
Log 2. And here what will you write?
5 log 2.
5 log 2 equals to 23 upon 15. Now in left hand side, what is common?
Log 2.
What is common?
Log 2.
Log x is common and log 2 is common. Means you can take log x upon log 2 common. When you will take common, what will you get here?
1.
1 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 5 equals to 23 upon 50. When we will add this whole thing, what will you get? You will get 23 upon 50. If you add this, you will get 23 upon 50. So see here, log x upon log 2 into 23 upon 50. So 23 upon 15 will be cancelled. And here we will get log x upon log 2. Equals to 1. So log x equals to log 2. Therefore, x equals to 2. X will be equal to 2. It's clear? So now this chapter has finished. Do you want to ask any exercise, any question in this exercise? Now after this we will begin triangles. Chapter 10. It's clear. So in the chapter 10, you do the reading of these. It's clear because this you have studied, all these things you have studied. Here you will read this, go through this. All these things you have studied in the lower classes. It is clear? So from
Sir.
tomorrow we will begin triangles.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, can you please tell a question from chapter?
करना है, ये करना है. So see here, how you for x? 27 you can write 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Therefore, it will become 3 की power 7. And this is 3 की power x plus 1. On comparing powers, have you understood?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.